Are you good? You're good. Okay, great. Everyone, welcome.
Hello
Winlin.
everyone, I am Winlin, the maintainer of the SRS open source community. SRS is the most starred open source streaming server globally and one of the longest maintained and most active open source projects in the audio-video field. Since 2013, we have been continuously improving the SRS streaming server. Not only does it support comprehensive features, but we have also developed the Oryx streaming solution, which makes it very convenient for developers to build their own streaming services. I originally planned to attend this conference in person, but due to some scheduling difficulties, I regret that I can only participate by recording a video. If you wish to communicate more, you can contact us on site through our community manager Dwayne, or find us on Discord. Since 2023, with the rise of ChatGPT, AI has been reshaping the software world. Initially, AI inputs were text, but now it supports multimodal capabilities, accepting images and audio-video as inputs. Audio and video provide natural and convenient communication between AI and humans, acting as AI's ears, mouth, and eyes. For general developers, applying audio-video AI in real-world scenarios is challenging. It requires setting up domain names and HTTPS certificates, understanding browser permissions, separating audio from streams, and converting AI outputs into audio-video content. Oryx addresses these issues by integrating OpenAI's capabilities, making audio-video AI ready to use out of the box. We have set up a demo showcasing voice-driven AI. You can use your phone to scan this QR code to directly experience the demo we have created. Next, I will use Oryx to challenge a live demonstration. How to quickly create a voice-driven AI assistant in 10 minutes. This demonstration fully showcases Oryx's main mission, the application scenarios combining audio, video, and AI. I will display this QR code later in the presentation. Please use your phone to scan it directly for access. First, we create a cloud server. I choose DigitalOcean Droplet as an example, but you can use any cloud server you prefer. Select a region that is close to your physical location. Here, we choose London, UK. For the operating system, it is generally recommended to choose Ubuntu 20 or a higher version. Oryx does not consume too many resources, so one CPU is sufficient. However, if you need to use transcoding capabilities, more CPUs will be required. You need an internet IP address because HTTPS is required. Next, use either the web interface or SSH to log into the cloud server. After logging in, update the package sources and install Docker. It is recommended to use Docker to start the Oryx service. You can also choose other methods. Please refer to the Oryx documentation for details. Next, add DNS records. You need your own domain, which can be purchased from a domain service provider. In the Domain Management panel, map the domain to the public IP address of the cloud server. Then, use the domain to log into the Oryx backend and initialize the backend password. In the Oryx backend, you can enable HTTPS with one click. It is very simple. Oryx will apply for and manage HTTPS certificates and automatically renew them. Then, use the HTTPS address to log into Oryx by changing HTTP to HTTPS in the browser's address bar, and you will see that HTTPS has been correctly enabled. Finally, create a live room. Set the OpenAI secret and click the test button to check if the connection is normal. set the model to GPT-4o, which is the latest and best model with fast response speed and lower cost than GPT-4. Click the button to generate an AI assistant link, open the link in a browser, or on a phone to use the voice-driven AI assistant.
I want to make a presentation at CommCon, so what should I do?
Reach out to the organizing committee, outline your topic, create engaging slides, practice your delivery, and tailor your presentation to the audience. Need further assistance?
Let me briefly introduce the differences between SRS and Oryx. In the open source streaming server space, SRS is the most starred project, continuously updated and growing. Over 11 years, SRS has developed robust live streaming and WebRTC server capabilities, supporting protocols like RTMP, HLS, HTTP, FLV, SRT, WebRTC, Dash, and features such as API, Exporter, HEVC, DVR, Forward, and Cluster. Oryx is an open-source audio-video solution ready to use, enabling one-click setup for audio-video services. It not only includes SRS streaming server capabilities, but also supports business authentication, audio-video rooms, forwarding to live platforms, virtual live streaming, camera live streaming, AI subtitles, and video translation. Oryx integrates OpenAI services, adding AI capabilities to streaming media, such as automatic live subtitles, live room AI assistance, and video dubbing. Previously named SRS Stack, Oryx was renamed for easier AI assistant differentiation. Community documentation, issues, and discussions are used to train the AI assistant. The website's AI assistant can accurately answer general questions. Training materials for the AI must be optimized, such as being in English, having distinct product names, and comprehensive documentation. So, why we need Oryx? Oryx is a ready-to-use audio and video solution. Its Docker image includes SRS, FFmpeg, Go, Redis, React.js, and other tools and frameworks to implement business logic and provide solutions beyond streaming capabilities. It can be set up with just a few steps to achieve various audio-video scenarios. Oryx is designed based on business scenarios such as multi-platform broadcasting, typically used for simultaneous live streaming on multiple platforms. With over a decade of industry experience, we have developed common scenarios and continually expand new ones based on community feedback, like camera live streaming and live AI assistance. Oryx replicates common scenarios like e-commerce live streaming, multi-platform live streaming, live recording, voice chat GPT, language coaching, multilingual translation, and video dubbing. These scenarios are independent but can be combined. We continually replicate typical audio-video applications based on industry developments. We believe that audio and video are very natural ways for humans to communicate with AI. Everyone can quickly build their own audio and video AI tools to realize their ideas, improve efficiency, and explore new application scenarios. This is a very important capability in the AI era. Well, HTTPS is often overlooked. Software developers find it simple, but users usually struggle with setup, especially when combining HTTPS API and media transmission for audio-video. Browser security. For audio-video AI or WIP streaming and microphone access, HTTPS is mandatory. Online production integration also requires HTTPS. For most users, especially with WIP streaming, setting up HTTPS is very challenging. Certificate renewal and updates are also troublesome. Oryx supports one-click HTTPS. Just set the domain and it automatically handles certificate application and updates, applying to all Oryx features. Oryx supports HTTPS in 2 simple steps. First, set up the DNS to Oryx's IP, then enter the domain in Oryx and submit. Let's talk about transcription. In live streaming, YouTube captions are less accurate than OpenAI Whisper. Many platforms and custom-built ones need their own subtitle solutions. Hard of hearing and non-native speakers have a strong need for subtitles, such as language learners using movie subtitles. They need subtitles for watching live streams and conferences. If language skills are weak, translation may be needed, which Oryx's live AI assistant supports. Oryx integrates with OpenAI Whisper, making it easy to use. It supports overlaying subtitles on videos, playable on any device without relying on the player. It also supports HLS WebVTT subtitles, requiring player support. Another similar use scenario is live translation. Audio in live streams can be converted to text via ASR and sent to OpenAI for processing, such as translation into multiple languages. This enables automatic subtitles and translation, as well as multilingual simultaneous translation. Oryx's ASR delay is 3 seconds, which is nearly real-time in practice. The translation delay is 10 seconds, but using faster LLM models and services can reduce this delay. Oryx uses a standalone web page for ASR, capable of handling streams from any platform and format, and can also directly recognize microphone audio. The processed results can be displayed on a standalone web page or integrated into OBS and embedded into the media stream. In the image, during the third test flight live stream of Starship, I used Oryx to translate the live stream and added bilingual subtitles. Oryx's subtitle accuracy is higher than YouTube's, and it allows flexible settings for the number of subtitles displayed, greatly improving language comprehension during the live stream. Let's turn to VOD video translation, also called dubbing. Multilingual translation for on-demand videos like tutorials, short films, and movies, enabling diverse audiences to understand directly. Due to varying audio lengths in different languages, translations can cause video and audio to be out of sync. Oryx supports manually compressing translated text to reduce the duration of translated audio. It also supports merging sentences. For example, combining 2 sentences allows AI to generate shorter translated text, thus reducing translation audio duration. This image shows that we used Oryx to translate a video tutorial about Oryx. The recording was done in Chinese, and then the Chinese was translated into English audio, creating a bilingual tutorial. Recently, we have supported OCR. GPT-4o supports text and image input, allowing for video stream processing by converting video to images and using AI to analyze image content. For example, extracting text from images, which is a common OCR application. It can also detect if an image is a still frame, useful for detecting still frames in videos, triggering alerts, or automatic switching to enhance streaming stability. Additionally, it can recognize advertisements or generate video summaries, such as automatically updating video descriptions. After testing, GPT-4o's OCR accuracy is significantly better than GPT-4. I am developing an application for my young daughter to help her read and recognize words. I'm excited with the OpenAI new model, GPT-4o. On May 13, 2024, OpenAI released GPT-4o, a real-time and multimodal model supporting text, voice, and video input, with expected latency reduced to under 1 second, enabling real-time interaction with AI. Currently, the API supports only text and vision, with audio support expected soon, anticipated to be a new voice access API. The accuracy of video and image recognition significantly surpasses GPT-4 Turbo, with greatly reduced latency, allowing for use in many new application scenarios. This is a milestone for Oryx, marking its 3rd year. In addition to diverse audio and video application scenarios like forwarding, recording, transcoding, camera, virtual live, live room, etc., it also supports various AI application scenarios such as AI assistant, dubbing, OCR, transcript, etc. As OpenAI continues to develop, Oryx will also update and follow new AI and audio-video application scenarios. Let me also briefly introduce SRS Media Server and its milestones. The main features of SRS 6 have been completed and bug fixing and testing are in progress. An alpha version is expected to be available by the end of 2024. Notably, the proxy cluster is planned to be implemented in Oryx, not in SRS. In the future, more system and application layer functions will be implemented in Oryx. We are very pleased to share our open source project and community with everyone. We welcome and look forward to everyone using our project, participating in our community, and supporting our development. Thank you again, and we look forward to the next gathering and sharing.